Meaning of eolian.
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 Eolian. Eolian is an adjective that refers to things related to wind, specifically its erosive or depositional effects on landscapes or geological formations. Wind erosion is the process of soil or rock particles being carried away by the wind, resulting in landforms such as sand dunes or lush plains. Wind deposition refers to the accumulation of sediment transported by wind and deposited in certain areas. Eolian features are common in arid and semi-arid regions, including deserts and coastal areas. In summary, eolian describes the impact of wind on landforms and geological structures.